When clients object to the cost of your offers, it's often a misperception about value, not just a matter of price. If your offers move the needle for your client, they will pay. What you need to focus on is communicating the value of your offer. Don't just tell them what the features are. Communicate the benefits and paint a picture of what their life would be like from the transformation your offer will bring to their business and lives. And what's the difference between a feature and a benefit? Feature would be something like easy to cook recipes, and the benefit of that feature could be easy to cook recipes so that you'll never be left high and dry wondering what to cook, which means less time spent in the kitchen. I'll include a template by Jim Edwards in the caption for you to write benefits. Highlight how your offer solves their specific problems and meets their needs. Share client testimonials as a proof of the tangible results your product delivers. You can also use what Russell Brunson calls an offer stack. It shows that the value of your offer far exceeds the cost. It's not about convincing them that it's cheap, but rather demonstrating that it's worth every penny. Remember, if it moves the needle for them, they're more likely to invest. So shift the conversation from cost to value and hit the follow button for more such marketing content.